Guys,
Look, it's a duck.
Pop it. Guys, I think I found new fashion fidgets. I think it's like 5. Squishmallows.
For the Takis?
Close to 5.
Oh, gee, this is open. Oh, no, I don't open it.
Really? Oh, this one is so cute. Guys, who heard of these? They're called Living on the Veg. I think these are new.
Look at this one.
They're so cute.
I think
I
this
think
is
that's
popcorn.
cauliflower. The veggies.
Oh.
These are so cute.
What is that one?
They have so many. Guys, look at all this Encanto. There's so many figures. Look, guys. It's like a whole shelf full. New Poppets. Star Wars Poppets. This one, it probably glows in the dark. This one is cool. And they have all these colorful pop. Ooh, it's 2 balls. You get 2 Poppet balls. Oh my gosh, guys. Maddie, look. Slime liquor plushies. Yeah, but these are the oversized ones. Guys, these are so cute. They got the red one on the top. You have more Poppets, you guys. The bird booties. Oh, guys, look, they have the foodie case now. Right here. They still have that Mart. Oh, but now they have 2. The Disney. They still have all of this stuff. Guys, look. They have the new...
Oh, yeah, I was talking about that one.
This one. Look, guys. The new Magic Mixies. What? And they have this one. And they have the Magic Mixies Mixlings Castle. Guys, these are all new. That is so cute. Let's see what's on the back. So that's how it looks on the back, and it comes with a Magic Mixling. They have this is also new. It's so cute. And this is also new too. So Magic Mixies is coming out with a whole new line of Mixlings. So make sure you guys check them out. Look how many! Oh my goodness. Guys. Look how many. Guys. Look at the little Stitch figures. This is definitely new. This was not here. Oh my gosh. Are these new fashion fidgets? Guys, I think I found new fashion fidgets. Look at this bench. I think this is a new line. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, series 2. Wow, that's so cute.
Can you hold this?
Ready? Let's see if this one goes. Oh, that's so cute. So guys, they have these
What's this?
Disney erasers.
What is this?
It looks like this is a new Disney collection. So they have these. They have these walkie things, and they have these stamps and erasers as well. Guys, we're finding so much new things.
Look, this is the menu.
What do they have?
A panda, a dog, what are those called?
A koala?
A koala, a bunny, I think a rare bunny, a tiger, no, lion, and butterfly. No,
what is that called? Axolotl. Adorables. Maddie, you're so adorable. You're so adorable. Guys, mini suitcase. Mini suitcase. Maddie, look. A mini suitcase. Karma's World.
Can't you tell?
I love those dolls. They look so cute.
She's supposed to be
Encanto. They have so much
strong.
Encanto.
That's like
Remember when she picked up all them donkeys? Guys, look, they have LOL mini bites. Remember they had
I want the.
LOL candy. Now they have the cereal. They have the cereal mini bites.
I want
So they have Lucky Charms, Tricks, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. What is that? Blueberry?
I want the Lucky Charms one. Which one do you want?
Cocoa Puffs, Frankenberry, Wheaties, or Honey Nut Cheerios?
I want. Which one do you want?
Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
I want Lucky Charms.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You think it's in here?
Yeah.
Guys,
Look, it's a duck.
look. Pop it and then put it on here.
Okay.
That's so satisfying.
Let's pop it now.
I'll pick it up and do it. I have to do it like that. This one is so cute.
I like this part.
Here. Guys, we just witnessed somebody stealing. Look how
I'm
much.
I'm calling 911.
Look how much stuff this lady just opened. Guys, she opened this,
I have a
and then
troublemaker.
we saw her unraveling. She opened that.
Because somebody was.
Guys, she was a grown woman. Guys, they have mini foodies. Which one? Mini foodies? How did I not see this?
Auntie, look.
Mini fashion. They have a whole
Auntie, look.
case. They got Wakanda.
Please.
Poppets.
Please.
Black Panther.
Please.
Can you stop? Look, guys. Wakanda Poppets. The new Black Panther. I don't think that's how it goes, but you almost ran over my feet. All right, come back. Turn. Oh.